Welcome back. Well, tonight in an NBC6 News exclusive, we bring you the experience of the pandemic from behind bars. More than 15,000 inmates in Florida prisons have tested positive for COVID. But what is the impact beyond the numbers? NBC6 reporter Stephanie Bertini brings us the story you will see only on 6.
What was it like experiencing this health situation behind bars?
It was like wondering if you're going to make it out alive.
Carrie Johnson was incarcerated when COVID-19 hit. She describes the situation as terrifying.
Yeah, if you're going to see your kids again, which family member is going to die while you're there? There's quite a few older people there. You just don't know if they're going to wake up one day. Everyone was getting sick.
She says she was homeless in 2018 when Hurricane Michael struck, and desperation caused her to break the law.
A burglary of a conveyance ×2.
When she entered the Homestead Correctional Institute, she never imagined a pandemic was not too far behind. According to the Department of Corrections, an estimated 18% of the total prison population has tested positive for COVID-19 to date. That's just over 15,500 inmates out of an estimated 84,000 inmates. And there are more than 1,000 pending tests. More than 80 deaths are on record, and 2 of those deaths are recorded at the Homestead Correctional Facility.
Everyone is scared.
She says she was tested once.
Negative, but I swear within 3 days after they tested, I got sick. I didn't taste for 2 months.
She says the conditions inside make it easy for the virus to spread.
There's no way to social distance. Your bunks are on top of each other in very close quarters, and it's just not possible. It's not set up for that.
Nancy Denike served 5 years for fraud. She got out in January, right before our world was changed by the coronavirus.
I would have been really panic-stricken during this, for sure.
She has friends who are still incarcerated. They write letters.
I can understand how it is for them because they don't have access to the internet or to talking to others who are out here in the world.
The women work together at Dragonfly Thrift Store in Miami. Their position part of a transitional program by LEAP, a nonprofit organization that helps women during and after incarceration. Malia Lindquist is the executive director.
And they're being released without jobs, without place to live, without testing.
Her concerns are many, but she says testing is top of the list.
I had wrongly assumed that the Department of Corrections would be able to test them sort of as they leave, and there's just not the resources to do that.
LEAP runs a group home where both Johnson and Denike live.
It's a group home. So, of course, I'm concerned.
In a statement, a spokesperson for the Department of Corrections said FDC's testing priorities closely align with recommendations from the CDC. The statement goes on to say inmates who are released at the completion of their sentence are furnished with a cloth face covering or surgical grade mask. They say the department is exercising caution to keep the inmate population safe.
They test you before you left?
No.
Did you think that was wrong?
Yes.
But the accounts and experiences of those close to incarceration tell a story of concern.
Our world was not prepared for this, and definitely the Department of Corrections isn't prepared for it either.
Stephanie Bertini, NBC6 News.